You see red light?
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember, red tree.
Oh, great. Yeah, just go light us up. Why not? Oh!
Sorry.
It's all good. All right, come over here. Tiger reserve in.
Oh my gosh.
Tiger is what?
You killed him.
So what does that mean? I was so confused.
He gets a reserve now.
Just choose one.
What? All my shells are empty.
Tiger reserve in.
Oh, great. Okay.
Reserve coming in.
Wait, what?
Reserve coming in for blue team.
Which blue? Which one's blue?
You're right.
Yo!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage.
Yo, get him! Get him!
That's the red team, bro. That's the red team.
Yo!
Hey, Bush Monster, you gotta call your hits.
Should have been more specific there.
So do the reserve, Tiger reserve?
Yep, the reserve can Tiger reserve in.
Oh, cool. Okay. Merry Christmas.
So blue.
All right.
Okay.
Reserve coming in for blue.
Don't hit me.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage.
That wasn't camp.
Wait, Eric, if I run up and just shoot them all, is the game over?
Yeah.
Yep. You guys have, how many?
How many
2 reserves left? 3? You guys reserve in? All right, reserve going in for blue. 5, 4,
I have a reserve.
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Wait.
Do I pick someone?
You have a reserve going in?
Yeah. Go.
Another reserve going in for blue. 5, 4,
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Engage.
I just came in.
Get him!
I didn't think I did.
No, you're out of reserve.
I'm a reserve.
Reserves are out.
I'm a reserve.
Take him.
I'm a reserve.
Surrender! Yo! There's one of them left!